I love how low you sit in the E24, and these comfort seats, I actually prefer these over the sports seats. What's up?
Lend me the car, man. It's strong.
You want the car?
Yeah, give it. Got a lot of power.
It's a 3.5 liter.
Wow, nice, man.
Shift's so nice. Clutch is butter. It literally picks up once you just let go of the clutch. But brakes are amazing. The calipers were rebuilt like a couple years ago. Yeah, I love this car, man. Idle is dead. Idle's almost better than a lot of S52s, M52s, M50s, and most of the M20s that I've dealt with, for sure. The cord is working good. This car is so cool. Yeah, so this is the car. Such a trooper. Yeah, this thing needs a new home. You guys want a super good running 635 CSI M30 B35, let me know, because this thing is amazing and everything is working.